Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Celery. If you are new here, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make celery juice without a juicer. If you're interested on how to make it, please keep on watching. So these are the tools that you're going to be needing to make the celery juice or any type of juice. I have a blender here. You guys can use whatever blender you guys have at home. This is the one I have. It's a Ninja. It's lasted me over 3 years. I have a bowl and I have a 16-ounce measuring cup because I like to measure what I'm going to be drinking. You're going to need yourself a Gianni and a cheesecloth. If you have a nut milk bag, that also works perfect. I just didn't want to go on Amazon and order anything. But yeah, Target has these for $2.99 and they're very cheap, good, and I like the way they feel. So yeah. So I want to say that I got a little bit over 16 ounces. So this is what one stalk of celery juice is going to get you. Really good. And that, you guys, is how you make celery juice in a blender. Enjoy.